Division. What is 36 by 5? What is 323 divided by 5? See, whenever you need to divide by 5, it is simple. It is multiplied by 2 and a decimal point is added. That's all. So multiplied by 2, it becomes 72. Add a decimal point, a single decimal point. It becomes 7.2. And this becomes 323 into 2 becomes 646. Add a single decimal. Actually, division is more easier than multiplication. Okay. What is 28 by 5? 28 by 5. What is 116 into 5? Sorry, 116 divided by 5.
23 points.
23 point? 23.2. 134 divided by 5. 26 point. 26 point. Accurate. It is accurate. Okay. If I change the entire scenario. Okay, all listen. Okay, all listen. If I change it entirely to 0.5, Tarushi, if I change the entire scenario to 0.5, then what happens? No decimal will be there. The answer will become 72 twice. That's all. In that case, it became 10 by 2. That is nothing but 5. But in this case, it is no decimal point. What's the answer for this? 646. Answer for this? 216. Direct. Okay. What if I have to do it with 0.25? Oh, 0.25 divided by 0.25 divided by 0.25. How can I write 0.25? 6 divided by 1 divided by 4. So it becomes 36 into 4 times. So whenever it is 0.25, multiply it with 4. Multiply it with 4. If it is 0.2, if it is 0.2, if it is divided by 0.2 into 5. Into 5, multiply by 5. What if it is 0.125? What is the multiplying factor? 8. 8 is the multiplying factor. 1 by 8 is 0.125. 0.125, it is going to be 1 divided by 8. 0.25 is 1 divided by 4. 0.2 is 1 by 5. What is 18 divided by 0.125? 18 divided by 0.125. What's the answer? 18 divided by 125. 18 divided by 125. 125. 0.144. Here there is no decimal, so you're going to do 3 places. 0.14. All are understanding or not understanding? All are like down now. Sir, I'm not getting answers. How is this written as 1 in terms of percent? 100%. 100%. Right? If it is 0.5, 50%. Or this 0.5 can be written as 1 by 2. This is 50%. What is this? 53.33%. What is 1 by 4? I'll ask. Others are sitting. Wait. What is 1 by 5? What's her name? I don't remember. Her name. You. I don't remember. Yeah, the first row. Follow. What's 1 by 5? What's this answer? 1 by 5 is? Yeah, 100 divided by 5. 100 divided by 5. Aram se. 100 divided by 5 क्या होगा? 20%. This is 20%. What's 1 by 6? What's 1 by 6? What's 1 by 6? 16.6. See. Okay, all see here. All see here. 1 by 6 is nothing but half of 1 by 3. Half of 1 by 3 is 16.666%. 16.66%. Okay. 1 by 7. What is 1 by 7? 14.2857. Okay. This is a sequential number. What does that mean? If you are writing something like 2 by 7, it becomes the second least number in this. So what's the second least number in this sequence? 2. It starts with 2, 28.5714. The same, all the same numbers keep repeating. If it is for 3 by 7, what's the third least number in this? 4. Starts with 42.857. Keeps on going with 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, whatever it is. Okay. This is one sequence which you should remember. Next, what is 1 by 8? This is half of 1 by 4. It is nothing but 25 divided by 2. This is 12.5%. 12.5%. Now, what is 1 by 9? 9 and 11 are complementing or they are friends. So This 1 by 9 is nothing but 11.11%. 2 by 9 becomes 22.22, multiples of 11, multiples of 11. If it is 1 by 11, becomes 9.09. So 2 by 11 becomes 18.18. Keeps on going. It is multiple of 9. Okay, just note it down. Just note it down. Okay, I don't know how many of you people will remember this, but still I'll give this method for you. You can just keep it. Whenever you want to divide a number by 11, 22, 55, or the multiples of 11. Okay, multiples of 11. Something, if some number is given like 132 divided by 22. Okay, what's the answer for this? 132 divided by 22. Okay. See, in these kind of numbers, take the first digit and the last digit. Take the first digit and the last digit. This is 12. So divide that by 2 becomes 6. Okay. Let's take another example. 682 divided by 55. What's the reason of 2? I'll tell. This is 22. It's a multiple of 2. 682. This becomes 62 divided by 5. So it becomes 12.12. This is applicable only when it is being divided by 11, 22, 33, 44, 55 and the multiple. It is only for smaller numbers. Bigger numbers will come. Okay. I didn't get you. The numbers are divisible by 11. Okay. It's okay. I'm getting a 670. So I'm getting 12.4 only. It is a. So it's not completely divisible by 11. 680. No, it's not divisible. That's why it is 12.4. No. Now, if I want to divide a number by 9, if I want to divide a number by 9, or if I want to divide a number by 99, or if I want to divide a number by 999, what's the answers for this? See here, what is 1 divided by 9? What is 1 by 9? 11.11. That is nothing but 0.11111, right? So 0.1111 into 4 becomes 0.4444. It keeps on. This one, it becomes 0.232323. Keeps on repeating. Okay. This one becomes 0.056. 056. 056. 056. Keeps on repeating. Because this is divided by a three-digit factor.
So even if it was 99 divided 4 divided by 99, be 0.04.
Okay. Now, if I want to find out the square of some huge numbers which are ending with 25, 825, 625, 325. How will you do it? What's the answer for this? 825 square, 625 square, 325 square. Okay, so whenever you want to do this way, make the square of the first number. 8 square is 64. Half of 8 is 4. Add these two. Becomes 68. Multiply it with 10. 680. What is 25 square? Actually, you can do it straightforward. If you are very quick in doing the multiplication, do it. Else, if you want to have a trick, have a trick.
For even 4 digits, 4 digit number,
which are ending with 25.
Oh, only 25. Then
what is 27% of 50? Now, whenever you get percentages, 27% of 50, for those people who know it, be quiet. For others who do not know it, you can also interchange it. In percentages, you can interchange these things. It can either be 50% of 27, 50% of 27. 50% of 27 is nothing but it is 13.5. Okay. So whenever you do not know something, swap it. Now, if I'm asking 15%, in percentage, it will always work. What is 15% of 360? What is 15% of 360? 7.5. Split 15% as 10% plus 5% of 360. So 10% of 360 is 36. What is 5% of 360? 18. Right? Split percentages. All of it difficult to take it on a single day. What is 14.28% of 749? What is 14.28 written as? 1 by 7. 1 by 7 off. Off means multiplication. 1 by 7 into 749 is answer. 79. 107. 107. Okay, let me see. All the smart brains in the class. Let us see. 25 divided by 1 by 5 into 2. See, whenever you get divide, convert it into multiple. Multiply it. 25 into 5 into 2, that becomes 250. Even if you use BODMAS rule, it will come 250 only. Whenever you get divide, you can multiply it. You can interchange and multiply it. Okay, what is 25% of 5 minus 25 divided by 1 divided by 5? 5 minus 25 divided by 1 by 5.
Minus 120. Minus 8.
Minus 120. All got it or did not get it? 5 minus 25 into 5. 525 is 125. It is nothing but minus 120.